Hello everyone, my name is Khan and I'm here with a new video. As per your request, I'm making a video on sealed recommendation letter as many of the applicants were confused how actually we have to request our professor for sealed recommendation letter. So let me tell you how actually you have to follow the process. First of all, you have to email your professor that you need your recommendation letter in sealed envelope. So how this will work, type an email to professor, write this first of all that you wanted to request him that you need a recommendation letter for Mext embassy scholarship or scholarship, and then you have to indicate that after preparation of that recommendation letter you also need scanned copy of it. So after whenever your professor will complete your recommendation letter, request him to put it in an envelope, and after he closes the envelope, I will say that you have to put the stamp of the professor on the opening part of the envelope. As you can see in this email, or you can see in this envelope, on this envelope you can see there are multiple stamps on the opening part. So this is how it is going to be considered as sealed recommendation letter. So now the question is where your copies of recommendation letter will go. So you can just put these copies of recommendation letter with your application forms, or either you can put it in inside. You can request professor that you also need copies, but it morally and ethically don't look good that you ask professor to make copies of it and then you will put it inside. So just ask your professor that make a recommendation letter please, and give it in an envelope that is going to be sealed with a stamp, and you need a scanned copy so that you can print the copy of that recommendation letter. I hope you like my video. If you need any, if you have any problem, you can mention that problem or query in the comment. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.